erupted in Jannagar Road area a day after Trinamool Congress changed its Ward number 60 candidate for the upcoming Kolkata Municipal Corporation election scheduled to be held on December 19. On November 26, the Trinamool Congress had issued candidate list mentioning that Muhammad Yajujar Rahman will contest the KMC polls. The next day, the party issued notification mentioning that Kaiser Jamil will contest the election instead of Muhammad Yajujar Rahman.
See, as you can see in many channels, it has already been stated from me that on Friday it was declared a candidate from TMC that this candidate is going to be nominated and he is going to be elected for the further corporation election. And the very next day, the name of that candidate changed from the ex-councillor, you can say, Kaisa Jamil, whom the people of this ward doesn't like just because of the behavior, just because of the work he has not done for the welfare of this ward. So this is the reason we are sitting here right now for the hunger strike, that we don't want that candidate to be elected again. We don't want that him to be again sit on that position, on that place, to as to not to do justice with that seat, with as to not to do justice with the person, with the public of this ward.
For the past 5 years, 6 years, whatever years he has been there in this constituency.
This is not only the reason. The reason behind this is, see, this is the reason. Along with that, there are so many reasons. A person who is appointed to do some kind of job, he needs to fulfill the duties of that job. Definitely, he is sitting on a position to fulfill the job. He has not done a single work for the welfare of this society, for the welfare of the public of this ward. And the people over here are very much annoyed with that person, because when a person goes in front of him for any kind of work, he just refuses and says, this is not my job, I cannot do it because you have not given me the vote in previous time, so I will not let people also, and neither I will be able to do any kind of job. I won't be able to serve you. So this is not my job. If somebody is going with some kind of paper to sign it also, just for a, if somebody needs a ration card paper to be signed by him, so he just rejects. He said, you have not given me vote, I will not sign that paper. The request, I have already stated earlier also, that we want justice for this ward. We don't want this candidate again. He has already been elected earlier. We have given him a chance and he has not done his job to the satisfaction of the people. Definitely, I have written, I have given, yesterday only we went to Kalighat, we have written a letter, complaint letter against this sitting councillor, I mean to say ex-councillor, and it has been given to our Honorable Chief Minister, Srimati Mamata Banerjee. Request, I have already stated earlier also, that we want justice for this ward. We don't want this candidate again. He has already been elected earlier. We have given him a chance and he has not done his job to the satisfaction of the people. Definitely, I have written, I have given, yesterday only we went to Kalighat, we have written a letter, complaint letter against this sitting councillor, I mean to say ex-councillor, and it has been given to our Honorable Chief Minister, Srimati Mamata Banerjee, and it has been given to our sitting for my ward only. I am sitting for my ward. I am here with them only. The people of the ward are supporting me. That is enough for me. I don't need anyone to come and support me. There is no such next step going to be happen, inshallah. I pray, because we have lots. Definitely.
Today is 29. So there is at least
2 days, you mean to say.
and the election campaign is going to get over.
Our
What is the next course of action? Because if no change of candidates take place in the near future.
we have got faith in our Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee that definitely she will listen to our request. We have requested her to give it a chance again to identify and to come to a point that why this kind of question is being aroused from this word, why we are coming with this kind of, with this sort of protest, why we are sitting here. She knows and she is always there with us. We always have got support from her, so definitely we again have that much of believe that she will definitely support us by approving our request. I am Sadia Shaheen. I stay at Ward 60 and I run a society that is Haji Umar Farooq Memorial Society. That is my husband's name, who has expired in April due to COVID. And after him, I am running everything, whatever he has left behind, the social work, inshallah, and whatever the need of the requirement of the people of the Ward 60 is there.